Hello buddies, today I'm gonna show you a basic but strong and proper way to secure your WordPress website from unauthorized logins using Cloudflare. I'm assuming that you have already pointed your domain name to your web server via Cloudflare. Let's start without wasting time. Log in your Cloudflare account and select the domain name that you are gonna secure. In my case it's google.xyz. I don't own this domain name, I'm using this for demonstration purpose only. Now navigate to firewall section and click the firewall rules from menu. So basically we are going to add a firewall rule to block access to our wp-login.php file. Let's start. Click on create a firewall rule button. Give the new rule a descriptive name like blocking unauthorized logins. Select URI path under field options. Select equals under operator options. By the way, it's selected by default. And then type wp-login.php as value. By now you have created an if condition, that is, if our URI path equals to wp-login.php. We'll now create a then command for it, which is called as action in WP terms. Follow me. Select the block under action options, which is also selected by default. And the final step is to deploy this new rule. So click the deploy button. Now Cloudflare will block every visit to your wp-login.php file. In fact, if someone tries to make some notifications in your WordPress website or upload a virus through your WP admin panel, he is required to log in first. And there are tools which can try thousands of passwords in a minute to crack your password. Unfortunately, they are successful to do that most of the time. But with this firewall rule, the cracker will not be able to log in at all, because even his tools will not be able to try a single password, because access to wp-login.php will be completely blocked. And sometimes you will also be blocked if you do not have a static IP address. But don't worry, I'm gonna guide you even if you do not have a static IP address. If you have a static IP address, you can allow it for login by creating a new firewall rule to exclude it, like this. Click the create firewall rule button, give it a name like allowed IP address. Select IP address under field options. Now type your static IP address as value. Select allow under action options and deploy this new rule. But if you do not have a static IP address, don't worry, that's okay. So now try to log in the website. Log out first if you are already logged in, or use a guest browser window. See, if you have allowed a static IP address, try to log in on the device with that IP address. You won't see this error on the device. And if you don't have a static IP address, you'll have to turn the firewall rule off, log in the website, and then turn the firewall rule on again. Let me show you. I've turned the firewall rule off. Now I'm going to reload my login web page. Note that I have checked remember me to avoid login again and again. Now that I'm successfully logged in, I will now turn the firewall rule on again. And to confirm if it is working properly, I will try to log in with other browser, with some other browser like Microsoft Edge or Firefox or Google Chrome or Opera or Safari. See, I'm blocked here. That's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, please hit that thumb up button below and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.